Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Shreyashi and I'm a software engineer by profession and I like to make videos on skincare, travel, lifestyle and food. So the topic for the day is high maintenance routine to be low maintenance. What exactly does it mean is all the things that I do regularly or periodically for my body to groom my body and myself, and these things require an initial high investment because they're expensive, but then they stay on for longer and I don't have to worry about small things like, threading or shaving or waxing or maybe chipped off nail paints throughout the month or maybe 2 months, and I can just focus on other priority tasks and important tasks. So basically, in short, I am also taking care of my body and my appearance, and I don't have to groom myself every single day. It's just like once I'm done with it, I don't have to worry about any of these things for an entire month, and hence it's low maintenance. So you're spending money which is high maintenance, but since you don't have to worry about it later on and not focus on it, it's low maintenance. So yeah, it's a high maintenance routine to be low maintenance, right? Let's dig deeper into what all are the things that I do on a monthly or bi-monthly basis. Let's get right into it. Today I'm going to get my laser hair removal done. I have been doing this since past 5-6 months. So this is my 7th session. You need like 8-9 sessions to get like a very good result. Of course, laser hair removal is not permanent. Your hair can grow back later, but till the time your hormones are stable, you can enjoy and reap the benefits of laser hair removal. So why do I get laser hair removal done is because, again, I get sorted for a month or so, and once the hair growth diminishes, I wouldn't have to worry about the hair removal part. Basically, no waxing, no threading, no shaving. So again, I know it's an expensive affair, but it's a one-time investment. So the amount of money you spend on waxing sessions is way more than what you will spend, and honestly, it's not even 1% painful as waxing. So I just love the idea of it, and yeah, I'll take you inside. So I am going for my hair spa, and haircut I usually get done within 3 months or 4 months, but recently I've gotten my hair cut, so I'm not going to go for a haircut, but I'm going to get a hair spa done today. It's something that I do like a month or in 2 months. So yeah, I mean, yeah, let's check it out and see what the process is like, and I will take you along. And I do feel that I have a lot of scalp buildup, so we'll get that sorted so that my hair doesn't look oily. I haven't washed my hair, and last I washed it on Wednesday, so it's a Saturday today. So yeah, let's get going, and I will see you there. Bye bye. I've come here to the first salon for my hair spa, getting my hair analyzed. I'm going for a Moroccan hair spa. I just got done with an amazing massage. It was fabulous. It was like a 15-minute long head massage, and it was amazing. Just one word. Now they're giving me a steam. So my head is tied, wrapped in a bun and so I'm done with my hair spa. It was excellent. The massage was so good, and my hair do feel very healthy, and they feel amazing. I feel light on my head also. So yeah, it costed me 3,300 rupees for the Moroccan oil hair spa that I got done. I try and do different hair spas every now and then. Sometimes Kerastars, sometimes Moroccan, sometimes L'Oreal. So you do you, whatever you feel like doing that day. And now I had some time between my hair spa and my nail appointment. So I came back home and now I'm going to go back for my nail appointment, and I am going to get gel nails done. I just get like gel nail paint over my like original nails, and I'm also gonna get like a pedicure done. So yeah, these are the two things that I do monthly, on a monthly basis, because gel nail paint, first of all, is amazing. It's the most convenient thing to be do. It doesn't chip off. You can keep it on for long duration. It stays on for like 3-4 weeks and doesn't chip off a bit, so your nails always look well groomed, well polished, and really amazing. And pedicure is something I love doing. The massages, the scrub, the feet cleaning, and it's just like pampering myself, and also keeps my feet neat and tidy and well groomed. So yes, these are the two things that I do on a monthly basis, and I love it. Let's get going. So that was it. I am done with my manicure and pedicure also. So I did my laser hair removal, I did my pedicure, manicure, I did my hair spa. I also go for haircuts every 3 to 4 months so as to get rid of my split ends and keep my hair looking healthy, because if you have split ends, the hair doesn't really give a very nice vibe and appearance, and it doesn't look good. It looks very like malnourished, your hair. So again, get your hair cut every 3-4 months because of split ends. And then, since I don't really do facials because I do skincare every day, morning and night, so facials sometimes, if I want to get done, if I have something really important like a wedding or an event or anything like that, I will get done a hydrofacial, because that has zero downtime, but not on a regular basis. So that's why I didn't want to include it in the video. And yeah, these are the things that I do. And if in future I add on more things to this routine, I will definitely make another video for that. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe, and please leave down any questions if you have, and what do you think about this video in the comments down below, and I'll be really happy to see those comments and reply to each and every of them. So yeah, I will see you very soon with another video, and until then, bye bye.